Hey guys, what's up? Always here. Super excited to be back. I've got the Xbox Series X here. I got this on the day it released. I pre-ordered it, but unfortunately I was unable to make the video, but here I am. I've got the retail box here, so when you order your Xbox Series X, this is how it's going to come. Super excited. Without further ado, let's start to unbox this beast. So on the front you have the branding Xbox Series X. You got 4K 120 frames per second. You got the Velocity logo, 1TB SSD hard drive, and then you've got the Xbox portrait here in the front. That's pretty zoomed in, and this is like the top half of the Xbox Series X. You've got the Xbox logo at the top left there. So this is the side of the Xbox box, and super annoyed about this cut here. It's like I said, it's a retail pack, so it includes the Xbox Series X console, wireless controller, you got ultra high speed HDMI to go with it, and you also have these full branding here, which is for Ultra HD Blu-ray, HDMI, Dolby Vision Atmos and DTX. So this thing is packed with a bunch of technologies, and I'm really excited to actually get into using this. So on the back of the Xbox you got Master Chief. This is the latest Halo game. You can power your dreams with this beast. You've got the fastest, most powerful Xbox ever. Redefine speed with the Xbox Velocity Architect. Play thousands of games across 4 generations of Xbox. Super cool feature that is. Pop in your old games and there you go, you're off. And then you've got the Game Pass, unlimited access to 100 plus high quality games. So you need to get a membership for that. So you have a portrait of the Xbox, and the controller looks really clean. I love the design, and like it's so stealthy. It looks good in its black color. You've got the Series X branding, and you got 1TB SSD branding there. Let's start to peel these stickers off. I've got a bunch of these security protecting stickers from the retail packaging, so I'm going to take these off first, and we'll get into the proper unboxing. So Microsoft conveniently put these pull tabs here, so you just need to grab onto the edge, and finally, I believe, pull them off, one on each side, and then you've got 2 more pull tabs in the front, on the bottom actually. Alright, you guys ready? Super excited. Wow. Right off the bat you have the Xbox, and oh my god, do you know what, I actually thought Furkan, this is I've got Furkan filming here for me as well, but I actually thought this is going to be pretty big, but guys, this is crazy. All that power, and this is just small. So you got power your dreams here. You've got the Xbox. I'm actually gonna try and take this off. So you have the getting started guide. So it talks about all the features in the back, the I/O, talks about downloading the Xbox app, and then follow these steps. You can scan the QR code there. Okay, that's not it. We also have this box here. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, so you have the product guide, which off, we don't need that. We have a HDMI cable, wall plug, and you have the controller. I love my Xbox controller, one of the best controllers you can buy on the market. So here's the Xbox controller, and you also get 2A batteries. Wow, this feels really good. It's slightly different to the original Xbox controller. It's a lot more smooth in the front. It's got a slight different design. When I looked at the pictures, I couldn't really tell, but I can visually see the design differences. The joystick, the D-pad, the buttons, they feel really good. And the triggers, listen for yourself. Compare the sound to the buttons to the triggers. You can see the ridges, gives you a comfortable feel. This is what I've been waiting for. Super excited. And I still can't believe it's actually tiny. And I know the PS5 is huge compared to this. I know that for sure. But let's just take this guy out. Wow. So this thing looks fantastic. Wow. there's a fly there just chilling on my Xbox. Wow. So right from the top, I don't know whether you guys can tell, you can see the fan and you can see the green fluorescent kind of holes, and it's not light, it's actually plastic. If I tip it, maybe you can tell. If I tip it that way, there you go, you can tell. This is the front of the Xbox. So you have the power button there. This is the eject for the CD drive or Blu-ray drive. You've got the Blu-ray here. You've got the connectivity button here, and you've got a USB port. On the side, bottom left, you have the Xbox branding, and that's pretty much it. Really like that. This is the full I/O, and it looks superb. It's so clean, nicely put together, nicely designed. A couple of USB ports here. You've got the Ethernet, you've got the main power, HDMI out, and you've got the expansion slot here. Other side of the Xbox, you have 4 studs here, and this can be put sideways, which I'll show you in a minute, or you can keep it standing. And at the bottom, you've got the base, which is rubbery, so it's not going to be moving on any glossy surfaces or anything like that. Superb design. And this is what I really like. Look at the final touches. You've got Xbox, hello from Seattle. Superb design, I have to give it to Microsoft. I love it. It's super slick. I'm glad I went with the Xbox. To be honest, I've been an Xbox owner from day one. There's no way I would have bought a PS5 anyway. And this design is just amazing. It's amazing. And the fact that we can even put it on the side. I do like it vertical. But for those of you who like to put it on the side, if you ain't got the space, fantastic design. I love it. I can't wait to play this. The unboxing is done, guys. Let's set this baby up and see and get the initial setup running on this Xbox. Right, let's switch this baby on. It's taking a few minutes to load. I set up the Xbox app. I'm going to do this later, so I'm just going to press. Okay, I think I've got to pair this. Have I switched this on? No. Okay, so what we do? We have English, not United Arab Emirates, not United States, we've got United Kingdom. Choose a connection, this one here. Okay, so it's connecting. Controller feels really good. These rubber grips towards the edge here, they're solid. I mean, I can feel them against fingertips or the thumb. Just click continue. Oh, back here, where do you live? United Kingdom. Yep, checking for updates. The size of this update is 700. So we've got an update, so I'm gonna start the update now. So it's downloading. Connection is really good, so I'm hoping it's not going to take too long. I'll be right back once this is downloaded. Okay, so it's powered on, it's updating. Press the X to turn on your controller. I'm doing that right now. Okay, press A. Let's update your controller. Right, wow. Okay, so now we're going to be updating the controller. I didn't know why you would need to update a controller, but it's applying the update now. Okay, so the controller's updated. Next you'll sign into the Microsoft account. Next. Okay, how we use your data. We click require diagnostic and others. Okay, press next to that. No thanks to this. No barriers. Use instant sign, link controller. We'll just skip this for now. Right, so while you're not using this console, do you want to energy saving, faster setup, energy saving? I'm going to do that. Keep my games in up to date. Next and that. Take me home. Okay. Right, finally. So this is the Xbox dashboard. Wow, it's completely different to what I'm used to. But yeah, the navigation so far feels great. You've got on the top right, you've got voice activation, whether you're using voice. You've got the battery, you've got the time. Top left, you've got your gamer tag and telling you your login credential. Initial setup, as you guys can tell, it took about 10 to 15 minutes. So that's including updating the Xbox, updating the controller. After you signed on, you're pretty much ready to go. I mean, there's nothing else to do, I believe. I mean, I can just go to my games and apps. I've not really got anything at the moment, but I'm looking forward to playing this. It's gonna be super exciting. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. This is the initial setup. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure to share the video. Also, if you are looking to get the Microsoft Xbox, the previous gen, go check out the video. I've already done an unboxing for that, and it's a superb console. So if you don't want to go ahead and buy this console, the Microsoft Series X, but you do want something powerful, then go get the Microsoft Xbox One X. Without further ado, I'm going to end the video here. Hope to see you guys soon. Enjoy. I'm going to start playing this, and yeah, this is my weekend now. See you in the next one. Peace.